Jong District Sports Officer Southwest Khas Hills District, Hakajingetre lang bat ke District Administration bat ke District Legal Services Authority, Klarake ya ke International Youth Day arhaja apnrio, haka khatar terik unailar arhaja apnrio, hapo kapang pedeng Youth Advancing Multilateral Cooperation through Technology and Partnership, ha multi-purpose hall snaps im college Maukarwan. Kakong AL Maulong, IAS Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khas Hills District Maukarwat, kalalong kum kakong san hagani kasngi. Hagani ka program kaladon ru ka jingkran ay mensim bat ban penslori ki samla na uba LGM Kharmi MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khas Hills District kijing shat bat jing right and right ki samla pule bat ka jingtam gitar instrumental na uba klanbor ramsid uba long unong shimbenta haka youth engagement program hadian kata bot ka jingkran na kakong B Majau MJS Chief Judicial Magistrate cum Secretary District Legal Services Authority Southwest Khas Hills District Makarwan. Hagani kasngi kaladon ru kajing sam yiki mementos shakinong shimbenta na kabenta ke International Youth Day kibalong ginong shimbenta jang ka Chief Minister's Youth Engagement Program arhaja san arpaun rio. Kata ka iba me ayhun marbinyang bat uban kirshan bor marngar kentop ru ya uba Steve Ford Marwin MCS uba Penkrau Karjarin MDC bat usamla Jimmy San Marwen International Athlete kom kadak jang kajing itho ya kijing job bat kajing shimbenta jang ki. Ka program kalapoy siya kabakut da kajing Aiko Blay na kakong Daisy Marwen District Sports Officer Southwest Khas Hills District Maukarwan.
Deputy Commissioner of Southwest Khas Hills present here. Respected Chairman of IAS, Deputy Commissioner of Southwest Khas Hills.
in your locality, in your village. Like Doctor was there yesterday, we talk about afforestation, the importance of climate change. You also know you are more educated than other population in your respective locality. So when you know, you enact upon that, right? Plant trees, see that there are some water sources, protect your water sources. You're educated, you know very well. Okay, every time you raise a slogan, you go on the street, okay, say no to drugs, save water, save energy. That's not enough. An act on this, you may plant one tree. Supposing each one of you plants one tree each year, every year, not just planting and forgetting, but taking care about it, just imagine the change that will happen in the district. So you can be it. So as it is that youth throughout the world, okay, they share one common aspiration, that is dignity, a decent job, and opportunities. So I'll just, so that you remember, one of the famous quotes by late Eleanor Roosevelt, who was the U.S. President, said this, that the future belongs only to those who believe in the dream. Okay? It means that your goals, your hopes are the powerful seeds for your future. If you trust your vision and work hard, you can shape your life the way you want. As previously EDC said, the choice is yours. How you would like your future to be does not depend on your principal or on your professors or lecturers. They are here just to shape and mold your character. They are here only to guide you in your career path. But the future lies in your hands. No one. You cannot blame anyone. The destiny lies in your hands. Okay. And you should always remember that success is not luck. Success comes to those people who work hard. Okay? I think all of us here in the first group, including myself, we are where we are. It's not by mere chance of luck. It's because along the way, while we were during your age, we had aspired, and here we are achieving our goal. So you have to work hard. Your future starts now. Okay? And then there's another famous phrase which I want also you to keep in mind. This is of the late U.S. President Theodore Roosevelt again. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. These are very important. That you must balance your big dream. You may have dreams, you must balance that with the practical realities of life. You should aim high, okay, set your goals, but you need to stay humble, realistic, and focus on your hard work. Well, for example, when I say this, there are some of you maybe, you may dream, you may have the desire of being a doctor, okay? But you should know your reality, you should know your own potentiality, your ability.